Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are going to take another look at a service report today. This time, we are going to look at the services by resolution completion type. So, again, we're going to click on the reports. We're going to minimize out this new business, expand on services, and right here, service request by resolution type. Now, this is going to be very similar to the other reports that you have, right? It's going to go to a default, and then you can change your filter here. So, what I really like about this one is that I can look at all the service categories, or I can look specifically at, say, renewals, right? I can see my personal renewals and I can see how many are being accepted, how many are being declined or canceled, and how many are being rewritten. So this gives me a really, really good insight, especially in a market right now, on what type of experience my clients are going to be having with us come renewal time. And what's even cooler is, again, you can filter this by tags, time frame, locations. You can go back into just, let's say, regular service categories, right? So if I see, let's say, non-pays that pop up, and I can take a look at how many of them are actually paying at some point versus how many of them were calling and calling and calling and chasing. So then maybe I can look at possibly automating something like that because it's not generating a ton of money, because these non-pays aren't actually paying, they're just canceling anyway, and I don't want to spend my CSR's time chasing those people if they're not going to pay anyway. So I'll just set up some automations to send emails and text messages. If they pay, great. If they don't, that's what was going to happen anyway, and now my CSR gets to go do something more beneficial to the actual agency. So hope that's helpful. Again, these reports are incredibly powerful and incredibly intuitive, and you should definitely be looking at these at a minimum every week, if not every day. So hope that's helpful. See you guys.